DJ Pakorich. Telesel Ghana Music Awards 2026. Everybody they shout online, but make we ask one simple question. Why you they cry? Why you they rant? Your favorite artist knowing now what? Facebook war, Twitter fight, morning till night you they type. But wait more, make I ask you, did you vote? Did you really vote? Or you just didn't make noise online? Did you vote before you start to criticize? Black Sheriff came with the fire, street gospel taking music higher, medical pull up with the vibes, too much energy, too much style. Stone boy bring the nation power, dancehall king for every hour. When the shade no fear nobody, hit upon hit, steady body. Sacco the rap like machine gun, legend status already won. Diana Hamilton bless the stage, voice from heaven full of grace. Everybody deserve applause, but now only one go hold the award. So if your fave no carry the plaque tonight, no break your phone, no start online fight. Award no be by shouting force, fans get power when them vote of course. Why you they cry? Why you they rant? Your favorite artist knowing award. Instagram live, TikTok rage, everybody suddenly become judge. But answer this before you vex. So did you vote? Did you really support, or you waited for others to do Did you vote? That be the real report. Vote, vote, vote. Don't be only I love you post. Vote, vote, vote. Support your artist, coast to coast. If you don't vote, make you calm down small. Did the plaque know they hear social media noise at all? From Accra to Kumasi, Tamale to Takoradi, fans they ready, pressure high. Everybody want artist of the year title, but whether not Sheriff or Medical, Stone Boy, Wendy or Sakodi, Diana Hamilton to respect. Music win when Ghana connects. So next year when nominations drop, no just argue in comment section, support with action.